I had been in the town of Huatulco in the southwest part of Mexico for a couple of days, and I was really excited to wake up for another day of adventures and to enjoy this incredible landscape.
Hello everybody, welcome to another video and to this hotel room where I've been staying for 2 days. But today I'm actually moving, or 3 days. I've been staying here 3 days. But I'll show you the breakfast buffet that they have here before I go.
The sun was coming up and I could already see the nice swimming pool that I would soon jump into.
So I'm just here now and I'm having a breakfast buffet at this place where I've been staying. It's really good. I actually got a lot of pasta for breakfast. Pasta and chicken and meat, and they also have lots of fruit and veggies and coffee and some juice. Really nice. So I paid 120 pesos for this breakfast buffet, really cheap actually, about $5 US, and I'm so full, and the coffee is also really good. Cheers everybody! I was eating some chicken and pasta and some kind of beef, and now I also got some kind of, what's it called? Nachos. It's really good actually. It's really spicy and some cheese also, and a little bit of beef on it. Very good. Nom nom. So now I'm packing my bag again. $17 per night here. Pretty good price, and also another $5 if you want to get the breakfast buffet. So I'm gonna put my little backpack into my big backpack, and then we're gonna go to another hotel closer to the beach. But first, some pool tricks.
It was time again. This time the swimming pool was much deeper, so I could perform some more advanced pool tricks. It was such an incredible day, and sunshine always brings me such great happiness in life. Now I also have the pool trick merchandise available in the description of the video or below this video.
Oh, it's so nice here. The water temperature is perfect and the sun is fried. Completely deep fried. So we're gonna fry ourselves a bit in the sun here, and then we're gonna go to a different hotel and meet somebody there. 330 sunny days per year. I think this is my place. Better than Cancun, where you have hurricane season. Very nice. So here's another little travel trick I have. I have this bag where I put all my valuable things, and then I put that in here so that when I go out on adventures I can use this little bag, so I don't have to bring this big bag with me. Hello, I'm ready.
Sometimes I also carry a little bag with water and a bit of snacks.
It's so nice when I just pack up and go in 5 minutes. It's such a good feeling when you just don't have anything holding you back. You're free to go.
I think one of the greatest achievements in life is to be free and happy. And one way to achieve that, I think, is to not have too many things with you. Life is just so much easier then.
So I'm walking through the town here and into one of the main roads that you might have seen in my other video. And that main road goes all the way down to the beach. So I'm heading closer now to the beach area.
I had stayed in the downtown area of the town of Huatulco, a bit further in the land area. But soon I would be by the beach again. This town, with just a population of 50,000 people, I think is the perfect size.
So here we have the main road. This road goes all the way down to the beach.
I always feel optimistic when I walk away with my bag. It feels like I'm walking into new opportunities. It's said that we have to walk down a lot of wrong roads to find the right one. But with the right mindset, every road can be the right one.
So here in the town we also actually have a really big chedraui. It's a really huge supermarket with almost anything you want to buy. Kind of like Walmart, but a little bit smaller. So now I'm here at Hotel Alikar, a 4-star hotel here close to the beach. The beach is that way. But let's go in. And I'm also gonna meet somebody here that you're gonna see in maybe an hour or so.
This hotel was located about a 5-minute walk from the beach. Today a bit of fog had come in over the town.
Sitting here by the hotel now and waiting for Maria, the girl that you probably have seen in my other videos. She's gonna come here very soon.
Now Maria had arrived. We had traveled around together in Mexico a couple of months earlier and had done some really nice things, including some really great snorkeling in the incredible Caribbean Sea. We checked into the hotel. It was a really nice hotel and also a great swimming pool.
Hello!
We had paid about 1,000 pesos, which is around $50 per night for this hotel. It was a nice hotel and really close to the beach.
Maria is gonna sleep a bit. I think she slept only a few hours last night and the night before. So I'm gonna go and do some pool tricks with my new shorts. Oh, the frying is so good here. Perfect. We're gonna go to the pool. Go on. Okay. Wow. The sun actually went behind the building here, so we are gonna go to the beach instead, I think. I also took a little nap. It was really nice. Actually, I never lay down and rest. I'm always doing something. But now we both feel very rested. So the question is, what are we gonna do now? Now we are ready. And then
are you ready to go?
Almost. I have to check to make sure I have my stuff downloaded on here before I delete the stuff off my memory card.
Okay.
Okay. Wait.
To eat or go to the beach?
Probably maybe the beach and then to get some food because I'm super hungry.
Food! Now we are walking down to the beach. I'm gonna try the drone. I actually got a new drone today because my other one broke.
The short walk to the beach goes through some really nice parks and then opens up to the incredible landscape.
Nobody has their mask on.
Oh no. Hello.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah. I have the name of the beach actually.
The sun had almost gone down and we were sitting on the beach and enjoying the nice evening temperature outside. I had not been cold, not even one time, since I'd been in Mexico for the past 10 months.
We're here at this restaurant actually, right by the beach, and I ordered, what was the name? Chile Reños or something. What are you gonna order?
I'm still not sure yet. I'm still looking at the menu.
Okay, now we got the, not the appetizer, but what is it? Some kind of bread, beans.
These are like very crispy corn tortillas. This is queso fresco, black beans, and then there's 2 different types of salsa.
Queso fresco. Very good.
Super good, very fresh.
The cats were also hungry for some queso fresco.
Food is so good. The beans and the cheese and the hot sauce. We got the food. She got something called mole. It's a very traditional and famous dish here in Mexico. And I got chile relleno. It looks like a fried mountain. And I think there's green pepper inside with some meat or something. I'm about to find out. How do you like the mole?
It's really good. I like that it's very sweet because the sweetness of it and then mixed with all the spices makes it really good.
My dish had a fried bell pepper with meat inside and rice. The mole was a sweet marinated chicken with rice and eggs.
We are really satisfied with the food. I feel really good. But now we're gonna head home. The temperature is so nice here in the night. Perfect. No frying, but it's perfect temperature. Really nice and warm. We are back after our trip to the restaurant. Now it's time to sleep. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave the thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.
And don't forget to buy my pool trick merchandise. Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.